Hello and welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. We're going to do Paper Pumpkin. This is the January kit for 2020. Almost said 2. It is called I'll Be Yours. B is spelled B-E-E as in a buzzing bee. Okay, so we're going to just open it and go through. So our color is mint macaron. We're having a bit of sibling issues. Can you run and get a stamping block? I forgot to grab one. Alright, so our color is mint macaron. We have our... No, yes, I pre-opened it. The reason why there's extras adhesive dots is because the dots in the kit were having issues. There was a quality control issue, so they gave us extra dots.
Okay. Oh, these are getting made.
This is next month's. So next month they're doing birthdays and cake is the theme.
That's
so
perfect.
You want to sign up by the 10th of each month to get your next kit. All right, so we have dimensionals and we have twine.
Dimensionals.
We have, okay, so they're little gift cards with pre-stamped. So these are gift bags, sorry, and they have a neat little foil. These are the note cards. And we have die cut. And we have sequins, so he's sequins, and then mini envelopes for the note cards. So we have bags and we have note cards. So there's not much of a difference. There's 10 note cards and 20 bags. So the only difference is that the bags have different colored hearts. That is the only difference.
I want to do the card one.
So you can each do a card in a bag. So I'm going to read through the instructions first because last time we did this I ended up just fast forwarding it because it took a long time and I didn't want to have a big long video with us just goofing around. So, so we're going to stamp our backgrounds and labels first. Then we're going to use the dimensionals to adhere the die cut hearts to the mini card bases. We're going to adhere the die cut bees and labels using dimensionals and sequences to the mini cards. Then we're going to create the bag tote tag, adhere the die cut hearts and labels. It has that written. Oh, okay, to the label. Then take the label and the sequence and the bees, and they got all put together on the tag. No. And then we're going to take twine and we're going to thread it through the holes of the flap die cut banner and tie it in a bow. Place adhesive dots on top of the flap, fill with treats, holes, fold, and seal. And we're probably not going to do treats right away. Alright.
Treats!
Well, because they're treat bags. It's Valentine's treats. Okay. On the bags,
pink.
There's pink, purple, or pink?
Pink. I'll take purple.
Okay. And then there's also, you can pick which, if you want a clear one or a flowered one. The ones with nothing on them get circle tags, and the one with something on it just gets a small square tag or rectangle tag because you put bees on it. So if you take a flower, you get bees. If you take a...
One bee? Or how many?
2 bees. And if you just take a regular one, then you get a circle tag with no bees.
Oh wait, you only have to take one because look.
That's because you have 2 sheets. Actually, you have 3 sheets.
I want bees.
So,
I want bees.
Do you want the bees?
Yeah. I'm supposed to have 2. I'll take 2.
Okay, can each have a tag as well.
My tag is over here.
Not a tag, but
I have a card. A little card.
a note card, yes.
Okay, I already took one.
Okay.
I'll put mine already.
So you get bees. There's
On
more.
both. Fingers. I'm going to get the thing.
You just did. Okay, so for the tag, for the note card, you're going to do a background stamp,
Which is like
which is this big flower,
big flowers.
flower bunch, and it just goes in the middle, okay? It might be easier to stamp it when it's on.
Hey, Mama.
Okay,
Did
so
you
there's
say
that one.
You are a tiny bit of a baby. I am too, because I always say good cat. Mom, it's not correct. You said it correctly. You said Mama. Okay. You put the words upside down. Like and subscribe. See you all next time. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.